If you are working in a multi-region environment in AWS, then you will appreciate the utility of this tool, which is Region Comparison Tool. Region in AWS lingo is a geographically separate physical region where multiple data centers are. Now, AWS has various regions across the globe. For instance, in Sydney, Australia, where I am based right now, they have this region AP Southeast, and then similarly they have various regions in US, they have regions in India, in Middle East, and a lot of other places. For example, you have your company which has a multi-region presence or sprawl. For instance, you have some cloud resources which are situated in Europe, you have some in Australia, and then you are deploying a new product which utilizes few of these resources, and you want to make sure that when you deploy it in your Australia region or in Europe region, the product will work because the cloud features which that product is using are present and available in that region. Because what happens is when AWS releases a new service, not all the features are available in every region. It is a gradual deployment, and even for some features it takes long time. So that is why it is very important to make sure that the features which you need are available in the regions where you are deploying your application into. And that is why this tool becomes very handy, because if you try to do it manually or hit and trial, then it becomes quite cumbersome. Now, in order to use this tool, all you need to do is to go there and then select your source and destination region. For instance, I have deployed an application in the US East 1 region, which is the Virginia region in US. And now I want to deploy it in my Sydney region in Australia. So I just want to check if the features which are in US East 1 also available in AP Southeast 1 or not. So let me select the AP Southeast 2, which is my Sydney region, and then click on Go. Once you click on Go, you'll be presented a list of services here. The green shows that this service and feature is available in both of regions, source and destination, or in our case in Sydney region and in US East 1 Virginia region. Anything with red means that it is only available in the source region, and source is US East 1 on the left hand side. So whatever you have selected on the left hand side is source, and whatever you have selected on the right hand side is your destination. So green is available in both, red is left hand side or source, and then the right hand side in the so purple is the right hand side, which is the only in destination region. So just by looking at this colored services, you can tell which features or services are available in which region. So for example, if I click on, for instance, this lookout equipment, now you can see that it is not available in both, and in US East 1 only these features are available, and they are not available in AP Southeast 2. So if your application is using these features and it is successfully running in US East 1, it won't run in AP Southeast 2 because these features are not available there. If you want to know more about these features, just click here and it is going to take you to the screen with more detail as what exactly these features are doing. So fairly handy tool, I would say. Really makes it very easy, and of course you can search it by Control F, and then there are hundreds of features and services which you can check out. So this is it, guys. I'll drop the link to this very nifty tool in video's description, and you can read further. One word of caution: there can be a delay of a week or more between a service being released in a new region and CloudFormation support become available. So what this tool is doing is, if you read its description, it is doing, it is just picking up CloudFormation resource spec from each region and comparing it. So very, very smart and clever technique. And as I said, that there could be a delay between CloudFormation spec and the actual feature. So give it 1 week and then you can go from there. And you can see it is pretty latest right now. It is from 9th of Jan. So that's it, guys. I hope that you found it useful. If you know of any similar interesting tool with cloud operations, let me know and I'll be happy to review it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.